Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove a window visor. And thankfully it's just one screw that happens to be a T30. Alrighty, let's get moving. The first thing we're going to do is take this screw out right here with our T30. Alright, screws out. Then we're going to remove the window visor from its clip, and then it basically falls right out. Just be careful with this little notch. You're going to pull it out like that. Alright, and now the installation's just the reverse. So you're going to put the little clip in first, and then up like that. Clip it back in on that side, and then just screw in our T30. Alright, there you are. That's how you remove and install a window visor on a 2015 Hyundai Elantra. Thanks for your time. Remember to like and subscribe.